Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate list of the best gaming keyboards for 2025. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or need a versatile keyboard for work and play, this list has got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Ola F75 Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. First up, we have the Ola F75, a wireless, Bluetooth, and wired mechanical keyboard with a sleek 75% layout. This keyboard stands out for its gasket structure, ensuring a soft and pleasant typing experience. The RGB backlighting is fully customizable, and the OEM profile keys make it perfect for gaming and typing sessions. Pros: tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz. Compact 75% layout with durable build quality, smooth RGB lighting and customizable effects. Cons: no dedicated media keys. Slightly expensive compared to competitors. Number 2. Redragon K618 Horus. Next is the Redragon K618 Horus, a low-profile gaming keyboard with tri-mode connectivity. It features ultra-slim keycaps and switches, providing a unique typing feel. With vibrant RGB lighting and excellent Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz functionality, this keyboard is a solid choice for gamers who value aesthetics and portability. Pros: lightweight and portable design, seamless tri-mode connectivity, long battery life with RGB effects. Cons: low-profile keys may not suit everyone. Limited macro functionality. Number 3. 68 keys mechanical keyboard. Coming in at number 3, the 68 keys. Mechanical keyboard is a budget-friendly option with blue switches for tactile feedback. Its compact design is ideal for small desks, while the RGB backlighting adds a splash of color to your setup. If you're looking for simplicity with great features, this one's for you. Pros: affordable price point, hot-swappable keys for customization, compact and ergonomic design. Cons: blue switches can be noisy. Limited software support for RGB customization. Number 4. YUNZI AL66 Silver. The YUNZI AL66 Silver takes things up a notch with a premium CNC aluminum build and a 66-key layout. Its wireless Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity, along with hot-swappable keys, make it a dream for enthusiasts. Plus, the RGB lighting and volume knob add a touch of elegance and functionality. Pros: premium aluminum build and compact layout, versatile connectivity options, gasket-mounted design for a comfortable typing feel. Cons: heavier than other keyboards, prices on the higher side. Number 5. AJAZZ AK820 Max. Finally, we have the AJAZZ AK820 Max, a tri-mode mechanical keyboard with 82 keys and PBT keycaps. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and professionals who want a balance of style and substance. The hot-swappable design and vibrant RGB lighting make it a standout choice. Pros: PBT keycaps for durability, multiple connectivity modes for flexibility, hot-swappable switches for customization. Cons: slightly bulky design. RGB software can be a bit tricky to use. Conclusion: and there you have it, our top 5 gaming keyboards for 2025. Whether you're looking for premium build quality, compact designs, or customizable features, there's a keyboard here for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.